Hello friends, in today's video we are going to do a little project. We are going to fix up my DIY picture frame, and it's also some garden decor that I made from thrifted items. We're going to keep going with that. We're going to add more thrifted items in, and it's actually a metal art piece that I found recently, and that's what we're going to work on today. So let's get started. Firstly, I am so happy to see my hosta plants popping through. I'm hoping they'll really start to cover out this shaded area. And then here is our frame. It needs a little love, and I'm gonna, I think, add some new elements to it. So I think I'm gonna add some white paint in here and just bring in more of my white features that I have along the fence. So that is the number one thing I'm gonna do. And then I'll show you the art piece that is going to go inside of this. Both the easel and this frame were thrifted. I have been on the lookout for another wooden frame that I could use because this one is getting a little bit dilapidated, but you know what? It still works. So for now, I'm gonna use it. I think for now, if we just add a little bit of paint, like I said, I think I'm gonna add some of my white features in, and that's really all I wanna do for this project is just add a little more to what I already have. So using things I already have. Lord knows I shop enough. You guys know I shop enough. I thrift enough for a lot of things. So you tend to accumulate some things, and with that, you need to shop your stash and just use what you already have. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and let's go get our paint. I kind of already fixed the sides. They have these little metal pieces, and I was able to just kind of slide them back together again. So that way they're not off kiltered, and then I can just maybe try and connect them a little bit tighter here. But let's go ahead and clean this off. And then my idea is, I think I want to spray this inner, maybe to here, white. So I'm gonna need to take this off, but it's an idea that I think will look good. So we'll see. We're just gonna have some fun and see. Okay. Let's hope this shows up, because I tried to use this white paint before and it was not working. But looks like it's working today. Ooh, it leaked out a little. That's okay, that's okay. Notice I say that a lot. So far I'm enjoying that stark whiteness against the brown. I think it looks neat. And goes along with my other things. Okay, so really the only spot that got kind of messed up is just that bottom piece. Could succeed in just making it worse, when it's really not that bad. Okay. I think that's where we're gonna let it stay. Woohoo! Oh, it's a little nuthatch. I just love those. Oh, I can't zoom when I have the camera turned around like this, but he's right over there. Now, if you remember this metal art piece over here that I thrifted recently, you'll have remembered that I also maybe wanted to add something to it. And instead of lighting or birdseed, we're gonna go with plants. And I was looking around for some small pots to thrift for, But instead, I just went to good old Wally World and picked up these. I actually got both sizes. There was no in between. So we had this version or this version, and I wasn't sure. I couldn't remember the size of the circle of that candle holder, so I wasn't sure. So I grabbed some of the really tinies and then these little small ones. So these actually fit just fine. And for some reason, I can't count, and I thought I needed 6, but I actually only needed 4. I love terracotta. I want to keep most of this, but I was visualizing this project and I think I want to add a little bit of white right here. Will it look good? We shall see. We are just having a lot of fun with this project and we're just doing it. We're just going to go for it. So I'm going to give it a whirl. If it looks bad, I'll put them somewhere else. I'm really not that worried about it. So let's see what we think. I think second thoughts on the white. I may do my famous green color that I've been using out here, the earthy green Rust-Oleum spray. Let's get these taped and then we'll decide. Okay, been thinking about it. I think I'm gonna stick with white on the top, even though I do have that earthy green in a lot of places close by. I think I'll let the green of the plant be the green for this project. Kind of forgot to peel these off right away. Awesome. I like it. We're gonna go with some seeds. I was gonna maybe put some of my kale that's growing up in these pots, but I don't think it's gonna do well in the shade and in those tiny pots. So we're just gonna start some seeds and we're gonna go with these beautiful columbine flowers. And then once they get a little bit bigger, we'll just move them somewhere else in the garden. Well, I just time-lapsed me planting those seeds and the entire camera was facing way too far down or up and you missed it. So the seeds are planted and they're just supposed to be right there on the surface, and now we can put everything together. Sometimes the little projects can bring you the most joy. I'm glad that I just went for it and decided to have some fun with this one. If you feel inspired to go thrifting for your garden, be sure to hit that hype or like button. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time.